Hey guys, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. It is your girl Arneisha Nicole, and we are back with day 3 of Wigmas with who? Moi. So if you want to see, how I got this HR, barber and HR hairdo, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, this one is stressing me out. Like she has potential, but oh my god. Let me just put this bang to where, and I usually like big bangs and all this kind of stuff, but alright, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me look decent. Okay. Alright, y'all. So today I am reviewing a Bobbi Boss unit. So I have the MLF 573 Raela in the color TF1BL Mocha. So this is a part of the Soft Wave series, and it says sleek texture with volume. So it has a 4.5 deep lace part. It has baby hair. I did see some baby hairs up there. And it says made with HD transparent lace. That is, look, I'll tell y'all, I don't really be knowing the difference, but HD means, well, it says transparent. Transparent is supposed to be clear, like you can't see the lace color, but it is definitely a little tinted. It's a little beige. So, and it says premium synthetic. Girl, I really wanted, look, I'm starting off bad. I really wanted to like Raela, but basically she has a comb over here, she has a comb over here, she has a comb in the back, she has adjustable straps. Same old, same old. The highlights are cute. I wanted to do something different because you guys know I do mostly 1Bs. So I was trying to get little highlights for you. I'm definitely giving auntie vibes. I'm bringing a sweet potato pie for Christmas. And a pineapple upside down cake. That's what I'm bringing. Okay, what you bringing, girl? Okay, anyway. So let me just... I'm not feeling her. But now... Okay, let me... Look. I'm all discombobulated, honey, boo-boo child. So let's go ahead and go into the pros. So the pros is she's big head friendly. She is big head friendly. The highlights, I like the colors. It looks like you went to the salon and you got your hair pressed in with some curls and some highlights. So the highlights, that is good. It has a nice density. It's lightweight, but you have enough hair up there, but it's not a lot to where you're like, I'm hot as hell and I want to take this off and I'm just gonna sit here with my wig cap on, you know. So it's good. I didn't use the baby hairs, you guys know. I don't really use the baby hairs. So I really wanted to like the style. I'm just not liking it on me. Yeah, but what was the pros, Arneisha? The highlights and that she's big head friendly. That's really what I like about this wig. And I like the bang, but I have an issue with the bang. So I'm going to go into the cons. So those are my pros. The cons are that it's really thick right up in here. And y'all saw me with my hot comb and my pomade. Over here it works because it's not as thick, but here it is very thick. It feels like they just put a whole bunch of tracks close together. Like it's Jesus, what is it, Arneisha? Get it together. It's thick, thick, but not in a good way. I don't like it. Y'all know I love volume, I love big hair, but it was just so thick. Even with my hot comb, it wasn't going down. It was just like, poof, I'm here. So I didn't really like that. That really threw me off, y'all. I really didn't like that. Because it's just so thick here. And it's like, you can press it down as much as you want to, but it's still going to be hella thick. So that was a major con. And she sheds. She is definitely a shedder. She didn't shed a lot, but she sheds. And that could be because I cut the lace. So I don't, you know, but she sheds, girl. The hair texture, it is slick. It's slick. Does it say slick up here? It says sleek texture with volume. It definitely has that. The volume is to the top notch. Okay, so yeah, I'm just not feeling her on me. Maybe like in a couple days. I'm looking over here in my thing. Maybe I'll like her in a couple days, but I just don't really care for her. Would I recommend this for someone else? Yes. But me, I don't care for her. I don't know. Maybe it's just an initial impression and later on, you know, because this is giving me, you know, real cute tease. But I don't know. I recommend her. She's not bad. I just didn't really care for her. I thought I was going to like her a lot more than what I did. And I don't. So, that's just that on that. No need of harping on that, but I would definitely recommend this to someone else if someone likes, you know, having all this right here. Dang, I really wanted to like her. It says premium synthetic. I do not agree that it's premium synthetic because I feel like this is going to tangle. I really do. I feel like it's going to tangle and it's going to shed a lot more than what it has on me. But she's cute. You know, this is an everyday work wig. Barbara in HR, you know. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, that's it for me today. Like, comment, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for day 4 of Wigmas with Arneisha Nicole, honey. Period. And until next time, peace and love, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Alright, y'all. I feel a little different about Barbara from HR. I don't know where I got that from. Anyway, she looks cute with the hat. I would definitely be wearing her with hats, berets, Nike baseball caps, stuff like that. She's cute with hats. I wasn't feeling Barbara. Why I keep calling her Barbara? Her name is Raela. Raela, baby, you cute with a hat. And the model is fire. She is beautiful. But yeah. Alright, y'all. Peace for real. Peace. Peace up. Peace down there.